Own this association, how much you own this movement. Airdrie Black Community is not just an organization, it's a movement. It's a movement that is structured to help to empower us as black people in a strange place that we now call home.
Yeah, amen.
The city of Airdrie is now where we call home, and in order for us to cement ourselves and ensure that our purpose is achieved, is that we now need to now collaborate more as a people. And the selfish attitude that we have as black people need to stop. And one of my objectives is pushing towards greater collaboration, greater unity, and greater belonging. I want to also see where we are represented in every forum and any group that impacts our well-being. And that is why I'm so happy to see that even some of our members are involved in the political scene. And while we strive to basically make sure that we work towards a direction where we ensure that our family well-being is protected, I want to encourage you that everything that ABC does cannot be done without you being a part of it.
Hi. How has it been for you so far?
Oh, we are having so much fun.
Good.
People are liking it.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Faida.
Faida, the Vice President, and
Ejadaman, Public Relations Officer.
Yes. And how are you finding it so far after planning everything?
I'm happy that people showed up and they're having a good time. And there was enough food to go around.
Yes, there was that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Simi and her descendants enjoying northern delights. Our future councillor, Airdrie Community, representing the black community and all immigrant communities.
Yes, and this masa is so lovely. I've been looking forward to trying it. You need to have a bite of Nanlicious masa. It's so yummy.
Thank you so much.
See you guys later. Hi. What's your name?
Peaches.
Did you Peaches?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you enjoy the program?
I did. I had a wonderful time.
Awesome. And you, sir?
That's my husband, Garth.
Hi, Garth. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, very
Did you eat yet?
Yes.
Awesome.
We had our dinner.
Your name is?
Oh, I'm Christabel. I go by Bella.
Bella.
How are you enjoying the program so far?
Good, and you?
Good.
Scared of that child.
Take care. Oh, he's so cute.
I gotta go.
He is the cutest. Hey. Hello.
They will serve.
I hope you're enjoying yourself so far.
Oh yeah, we are.
Awesome. Thank you. I hope you guys are having fun. And that's Chris Glass doing a tug of war. We'll see who's wrong here. Oh my goodness.
Represent for the old guys, Chris. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 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 soccer team here.